All right, YouTube, exciting day. Unloading the bumper plates. Let's do it. All right, let's do a quick unboxing video of these plates I picked up locally. Let's see what we got. Okay, as you can see, they are from ETE, ExtremeTrainingEquipment.com. I don't know what that is. I've never been to that website. And naturally, they're made in China. Okay, so the first thing I noticed when I'm taking them out of my truck is that they stink. And I'm hoping that problem gets better. Let's see what actually it looks like inside. Oh yeah, the smell is pretty intense here. That is not English, as you can tell. That's a 25-pound bumper plate. It's a bit oily and the smell is horrendous. Very chemically, rubbery smell. That's the first impression. I have these molded hubs here. Doesn't look like they really go into the rubber at all. 25 pounds stamped in two sides here. Hopefully you can see that. And that's it. There are no other markings. Let me take this out in the light a little bit. There are no other markings. It's plates got some kind of a oil or some type of chemical on the surface. I don't know. We'll see how these work out. The smell does concern me because the gym is going to be upstairs in the loft. That's where we sleep, in the bedrooms upstairs. So we'll see how quickly, if ever, this smell dissipates. Otherwise, we will have a problem. Okay. That is the Chinese bumper plates from a local fitness store here out of ExtremeTrainingEquipment.com. That's the noise they make on concrete. And we'll see. I'll check them out on the bar, make sure they fit. And I just got a black set. What I ended up purchasing was 4 45s, 4 25s, and 6 10s. And the price was very good. It was just over $400 with California tax included. So very reasonable price for these, and hopefully it works out. All right, that's the video for today. Just unboxing of the bumper plate here. I'm excited. The smell is really bad. I gotta tell you, I'm sitting 2 feet away from the plate right now. and I could smell it from here. So these definitely need to air out. I think I have to unbox all of them and just let them breathe for a while. So it's been now more than a day and a half that they're outside. I'm smelling them. And yeah, I mean, smell's going away slowly. It's actually, you have to be right up against them now to smell it. So that's good. You can still smell it definitely, but it's not quite as, you know, where you're standing 3-4 feet away and it's just still hitting you when we first unboxed them. So that's the update. I picked the plates up from the store on a Saturday. It's now Wednesday afternoon. They've been outside since I got them. So we'll see what the plates smell like. Just want to show you again. When I say no name, I mean Extreme Training Equipment plates. I picked them up locally, did not order them from the website. Okay. They're just airing out here. A little bit wet. You know, I got them under the overhang, so not too bad. Just smelled them there. Smells improving, but still quite strong. Hopefully my loft gym is not going to be the stinkiest gym ever. We'll see. That's my update. I'll keep updating you. Okay guys, wanted to give you a final update on these plates here. So I brought a couple tens in the house so I could work on laying out my gym here. As you can see, I have a rack and everything else ready to go, but it looks like they fit pretty good on the bar. I haven't worked out with them, but it doesn't appear like there's an excessive amount of slop. There's some, but you want that, I think, to get the weights on the bar pretty easily. And then as far as smell, they still smell, but it's not something that they can pick up on unless they get really close to them. So I think there's an improvement. This has been exactly a week since I purchased them, and I spent pretty much all that time outside. And I've just brought the pairing. All the other plates are outside, and I think it should be workable. This will be my last update as far as the smelling is concerned, and I'll post anything else should something exciting happen with these plates. But you know, like I said, we washed them down with the Simple Green initially and left them outside to air out for a week, and they seem to be doing okay. No streaks on them. The quality seems to be decent here. They're not bent or anything like that. The hubs of them, you know, while they're not super molded into the middle there, I think they'll be sufficient for a home gym. We'll see. I don't plan on dropping weights too much here. So your mileage may vary. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.